So, can you tell a difference?
Shall we play a game?
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and as I do these formalities, I'm going to be changing between the GoPro on the gimbal and the GoPro with Hypersmooth on. If you are new and like this kind of content, make sure you hit that button right there. If you do need to skip ahead, there are time chapters down below, and I'll put links to everything we're talking about in today's video in the description, plus a surprise link. And hey, the awesome people at Inkee want to give one of you lucky viewers a Falcon gimbal. And I'll tell you more about that later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned. But for now, let's get into it. This is Hypersmooth versus Gimbal.
Ready? Go!
So can you tell the difference? You know which one is which? I think you can. But you know what? I will give you 10 seconds to lock in your answer in the comments down below. A was Hypersmooth and B was the gimbal.
I was way off.
And hey, this is not a video to tell you to go buy the gimbal because Hypersmooth sucks, because it's not that at all. Hypersmooth is one of the best and coolest things about the GoPro. And not to mention how convenient it is to just take it out and start recording, and it works great. But that's also when it's a beautiful day outside. But you know, when it gets cloudy or dark or you're inside, Hypersmooth might not be your best friend after all. GoPro is an action camera. It's not a cinema camera. But some of us might find it more of a hobby to get some creative shots with this little thing. And in the process, we get some more gear to help us get more creative. And well, for $119 US, I think the Falcon gimbal is worth it. And you can check out my review if you want to learn more. I'll put a link up here. There's also a lot of raving reviews out there, so I don't think you can go wrong with this thing. And as I said earlier, Inkee said they would give away one of these Falcon gimbals to one of you lucky viewers. And all you have to do to enter is write something nice down in the comments and also mention something about this microphone. I'll explain what this microphone is on a future review. Actually, it's really cool. You'll love it. But that's it. You've entered the competition, and now you just have to watch live on the next first of the month live stream. And if I call your name and you're watching live, guess what? You win. And if you're watching this after that first of the month live stream, well, just keep tuning in because I give away products all the time on this channel. All right, that's it for me today. I got a lot of reviews and cool content to make, and I'll get right to that. If you want to dive deeper into exclusive behind the scenes live streams and content and giveaways, make sure you check out my memberships. Also, there's a podcast that I have called Tech is Hard. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.